Hello. Really random start. Thought I'd start this video just by saying that I've got some new number plates to go on, and the reason that the car's been looking the way it's been looking is because I knew that I wanted to get some new plates, and so I didn't want to stick it onto the bumper until the new plates came. So that's where roller plates have linked me up with a set of their new, I think these ones are gel plates, so I need to now figure out how to do this with one hand. So a big shout out to Rollerplates for sending me out some of these. I might need your help. Can you open them? There's the option of 4D plates, gel plates, metal pressed plates. What? Do they look good? Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. It's going to be nice to have clean plates for once again. But at the same time, I was sort of thinking, I quite like the look of the car with no front plate. So someone else messaged me on Instagram saying that they can do one of the sticker plates for me for the front, which I'm gonna go collect today, I think. A big shout out to, I got to find his Instagram real quick. The page on Instagram is Reowned Customs, which will also be up here. And yeah, they've made just the front a sticky plate, so I'm excited to get that on as well. So I think I'm gonna go get that now. I still have not topped up the washer fluid since the car's been back on the road. Still not. Who needs washer fluid anyway? So, I don't know how much you can see because it's dark, but we got the new plates. Just picked them up, or new plate. It's a sticker plate, so I'm gonna find a good spot on the bumper to put it, and yeah, should look pretty good. I hope. I just gotta figure out where I want it. Massive thank you to the guy though. Reowned Customs, go follow them on Instagram, and I'll be back with you guys when I put the plate on. I gotta find out where I want it, but it will be going on tonight, just because it looks a lot better. Alright, see you in a sec.
2 weeks later.
Alright, I know I said what I said, and I said I was going to be putting the plate on this evening, but that's when I then said what I said on YouTube. Said that I was going to be having a little break just because I needed some time. But the plate is now on. I'll show you it in a second. Tomorrow we should, if the guy replies and says it's all good, we should be getting the bonnet finally. The front end will look complete. Then I need to search for some side skirts. Then I'll probably sell the car, buy a new car. What? Sell the car? What? Maybe. If I can find the car that I want, which doesn't seem to be coming up a lot. If you've been paying close attention to my Instagram, then you'll probably know what car I'm after. But it's not a car that you can easily come by. I've been looking for the past probably few weeks and seen one which looks okay, but I don't really want to go look at it just in case because it's not perfect. You know, I'm waiting for the perfect one to show up. Anyway, onto the topic, back to the Golf. You can sort of see from this angle that the new sticker plate is on. You can't really see it, and also one of the canyards, is that what it's called? The things came up, not the canyard, is it? That's the things on the side. But it was only slightly bolted on anyway, so I need to tighten it back up and then properly get the grills on. Because I've been slacking in that. The grills need to be glued in really because they don't just stick in. And then I need to get because I'm going to be keeping the new roller plates. I need to get the back one on, make it look a bit fresher. And then I just need to clean the car. It does look good though. But it needs side skirts. And then it will be for sale probably. Once that's the run of this car, man. This is why I think I've not been uploading much. Because at the moment I've just been thinking, you know, I've come to the end of the run with the Golf. This is what I feel like. I could do all this other crazy stuff on it, but at the end of the day, it's just a Golf. It's just a Mark. I say that as if it's not something special to me, but it's a special car, but it's just a Golf. I'd rather be putting my money into something else because no matter how fast it's going to be, you know, I bought this car almost 3 years ago. And I've changed as a person in 3 years. Don't get me wrong, I will always love the Mark IVs. I think they're the best looking, like the best model, the best Mark Golf. Well, no, I don't know. The Mark VI is really nice. This is Lucy's one, which now has a misfire, apparently. Check engine lights come on, saying that it's got a misfire. But it's due a service, so we're going to get that service and see if it's just the spark plugs. Hopefully it is. I feel like, as a person, I've come to the end of the run with the Golf. I'll always love the Mark IVs, and I will probably still get another Mark IV sometime in the future. But for now, I need to get out more. Well, I need to play around with cars and just see what's going on. You ever get that feeling? Because, you know, we've been in a long-term relationship. You know, it's so fun to drive, but I want a V6, but I don't want an R32 because, you know, you got to spend a lot of money to get power out of that. The perfect engine, in my eyes, is the V6 twin turbo that you can find in like the RS4s, the older RS4s. Because the V8s are nice, but I feel like it's just a bit too much. It's just a V8. It's a fucking V8, man. I don't want to own a V8. Yeah, it sounds nice, but I think the perfect noise is the V6. And it's still got turbo, so you can just tune it easily. If all goes to plan tomorrow morning, I'll see you guys at McDonald's. We'll get a McDonald's breakfast. I'll see you guys there. And then hopefully we'll pick up the new bonnet. And then I can finally post some more pictures to my Instagram because I haven't been posting anything because the car's been in some sort of weird phase at the moment where it just doesn't look good at all. It's like I'm in the middle of something. It's going through a phase and it needs to get out of that phase. It needs to be complete. And the bonnet is the only thing which is stopping that. Well, and the side skirts. But if I just get some front pictures, yeah? Just like through the front. Just don't get the side. Just get the front pictures with the splitter, with the smooth bumper, with the extended bonnet. It will look good. So I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. We were just at McDonald's, but we've now left because we're in a bit of a rush. But perfect thing to order. Lucy would say it's the triple sausage egg McMuffin. We had like another few bits of sausage to it, but I went for the bacon roll with sausage, with cheese. That was banging. I just don't like the McDonald's eggs. They just taste weird. They taste like plastic. Well, everything tastes like plastic. Oh, I don't know. But you get the point. Anyway, we're on our way. Got an hour and a half drive. Hopefully it's not going to be pissing it down like this down there. The bonnet is off and we've got Ben's coming to put the Bad Boy Bonnet on now, so I can't wait to see what this looks like. But even with the bonnet off the car, it looks so much better. So the bonnet is on. All it needs is a bit of a wet sand here just to polish it out, but that's looking sick. The bonnet's not shut properly yet, but I'll close it in a sec. I just want to turn the halos on, see what it looks like with them.
Yeah. Oh. Oh fucking hell.
That's sick. I just need to sort them grills out at the bottom. Yeah. Need to get them in.
Oh, that looks so fucking nice. I want them. I'm gonna get halos now.
Yeah, you need to.
Oh my god. I can't believe.
Yeah, what's your Facebook page?
U.S.O Motorsport.
U.S.O Motorsport.
Yeah.
So guys, if you need anything done, any bodywork stuff, it's a lot of stuff that you can do. Just head over to his page. I'll link it in the description. It'll be on the screen as well. But yeah, massive thank you to Gary for this. It looks sick. Yeah, I just need to find the side skirts as well now. Then it'll be.
I have got some for you. I'll get it painted, and whenever it's done, I'll give you a shout.
That'll be wicked. Yeah,
not a problem. Yeah. If there's anything else you need, let me know straight away.
Yeah, I will do. Yeah, no.
That's laid really thick down the bottom there.
Yeah.
Really thick. Along there and down there.
Yeah, I'll just give that a bit of sound. Yeah, alright. It's looking good though. I love that.
It looks so nice to them halos.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get them. I was thinking about. I wanted red ones.
Oh yeah.
Because the red car.
Yeah. I feel embarrassed now about these little things that aren't done. Like that's fallen off. The grille's not on. It's like
Mate,
no.
I think it looks good. It really. apart from the little niggly bits because I can see them myself.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
It really does.
That was a bit of a scary drive home because my latch it's always been broken, but it's decided to just not work at all today. So we couldn't close it properly. So it was loose, and yeah, it was a very scary hour-and-a-half drive home. And everything, I think it just needs a bit of a wet sand to smoothen out the bit at the end. I think you guys heard it, but he did a couple extra coats to be able to smooth it out. Hopefully it'll be alright. I'm going to post up a few more pictures now over on my Instagram. Should we go take one more look at it, just to see what it looks like?
I really need to glue these in.
And there we have it. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, make sure to definitely check out Gary's Facebook page if you're interested in anything. But yeah, I'm going to go because I need to get this video edited and then uploaded. See you guys again shortly, hopefully. I need to get back into the YouTube video things. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.